Good evening, everyone. I am Avni, your tech host, and welcome to the daily tech news bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Realme to launch Narzo 70X 5G and Narzo 70 5G smartphones in India. Many X users experience issues with uploading and sharing posts. ITIL launches S24 budget phone with AI powered 108 megapixel camera in India. Microsoft and the Coca Cola Company partner to accelerate cloud and AI initiatives. Rocket unveils Rocket AR Lite kit with Max 2 glasses and Station 2 computing box. DPVR launches E4 Arc VR headset with hand tracking from Ultraleap. T-Mobile introduces Home Internet Plus and Away plans leveraging 5G spectrum and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice to stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Realme is set to unveil two new smartphones, the Narzo 70X 5G and Narzo 70 5G, alongside the existing Narzo 70 Pro 5G in India. Both models offer budget friendly options with features similar to the Pro model, with the Narzo 70X 5G standing out with 45-watt charging and an expected sub rupees 12,000 price. The phones are expected to share design elements with the Pro model, including a half moon design and a circular camera module, and feature flat displays like the Narzo 70 Pro 5G. Many X users have reported issues in uploading and sharing posts on the microblogging platform X. Down Detector reported nearly 350 outage reports at 7:30 p.m. on Tuesday, with Indian users predominantly affected, experiencing difficulties accessing the X website and mobile application. The platform has faced technical issues in the past, with Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and Threads experiencing major outages in March. ITIL has launched the S24 budget phone in India, featuring an AI-powered 108 megapixel dual rear camera setup and a 6.6-inch HD display. Priced under rupees 11,000, the ITIL S24 comes with a MediaTek Helio G91 SoC, 8 GB RAM, and 128 GB internal storage, along with a free ITIL 42 smartwatch. The phone also includes AI Smart Charge and bypass charging features to slow down battery aging and avoid overheating while gaming. Microsoft and the Coca Cola Company have announced a 5-year strategic partnership to accelerate cloud and generative AI initiatives. Coca Cola has committed $1.1 billion to the Microsoft Cloud and its generative AI capabilities, aiming to foster innovation, productivity, and technology transformation globally. The companies will jointly experiment with groundbreaking new technology like Azure OpenAI service to develop innovative generative AI use cases across various business functions, including testing how Copilot for Microsoft 365 could improve workplace productivity. Rocket has announced the Rocket AR Lite kit, featuring two pairs of AR glasses named Rocket Max 2 and a phone shaped computing box called Rocket Station 2. The Max 2 glasses offer a spatial computing experience in a lighter and a cheaper package, while the Station 2 functions as a computing box powered by Snapdragon 6 Gen 1. A US launch is confirmed for the AR kit, which includes the Max 2 and Station 2 with pricing range from $550 to $600. DPVR has announced its new E4 Arc VR headset with hand tracking from Ultraleap, catering to arcade games manufacturers, corporate training, and 3D designers. The E4 Arc features a Leap Motion controller, two hand tracking camera, turbo cooling system, and easily replaceable cables, aiming to provide natural integration in VR environments. DPVR caters to various industries, including arcade needs, enterprise use cases, safety training, industrial skill development, surgical education, and aviation training. T-Mobile has announced two new home internet plans, Home Internet Plus and Away, leveraging the 5G spectrum to cater to different customer needs. The Away plan targets campers and RV owners, offering connectivity for up to 64 devices at a time and coming in two data capacity options up to 200 GB per unlimited. Home Internet Plus includes features such as a gateway router, mesh access point, and 24/7 tech support available for $70 per month with autopay starting April 26th. This is Avni signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for all the latest tech news.
आपको पता है एक अच्छा अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर कितना क्रूशियल है एक स्मॉल या मीडियम बिजनेस के लिए? ड्रॉप डाउन द कीवर्ड बिजनेस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो टू गेट द लिस्ट ऑफ ऑल द टूल्स फ्रॉम ए टू जेड ऑफ आवर एबीसी ऑफ बिल्डिंग ऑनलाइन बिजनेस सीरीज। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज एबीसी ऑफ बिल्डिंग ऑनलाइन बिजनेस सीरीज में हम लेकर आए हैं अल्फाबेट एक्स। एक्स हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे ज़ेरो और एक्स फॉर्मरली नोन एज ट्विटर। ज़ेरो एक क्लाउड बेस्ड अकाउंटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर प्लेटफॉर्म है जो स्पेसिफिकली स्मॉल और मीडियम बिजनेस ओनर्स के लिए डिजाइन किया गया है। ज़ेरो आपकी इनवॉइसिंग, बैंक रिकंसिलिएशन, इन्वेंटरी, परचेजिंग, एक्सपेंसेस और बुक कीपिंग के अलावा कई टूल्स प्रोवाइड करता है जो आपके बिजनेस की फाइनेंशियल हेल्थ को ट्रैक करना आसान बनाता है। और अगला है एक्स। पहले जान जाता था ट्विटर के रूप में, बट एलॉन मस्क के खरीदने के बाद अब एक्स हो गया है। ये एक वाइडली यूज सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म है जो माइक्रो ब्लॉगिंग की सर्विसेज ऑफर करता है। यहाँ यूजर्स मैसेज पोस्ट कर सकते हैं, ट्वीट्स के थ्रू इंटरैक्ट कर सकते हैं और ग्लोबल ऑडियंस के साथ एंगेज कर सकते हैं। ये एक एसेंशियल टूल है फॉर बिजनेसेस टू मैनेज रियल टाइम कम्युनिकेशन, ब्रांड विजिबिलिटी, कस्टमर एंगेजमेंट एंड फॉर मार्केटिंग अलाइक। तो आज के एपिसोड में देखिए हमने एक्स से ज़ेरो और एक्स से कुछ खास फीचर्स। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में अल्फाबेट वाई के साथ।